Hi, friends. It's Mr. Randy over here, and I have my oldest nephew, Carter, right over. Hey, put the phone away.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there.
Wow, what a guy. Teenagers, what can you do with them? Anywho, today we're going to do a little science experiment that's based on our five. That's right, 5 senses. Carter, tell me one of your senses.
Sight.
Sight. And what do you use for sight?
Your eyes.
Oh, so with sight, you can see things with your eyes. Carter, what's another sense?
Smell.
Smell. Ooh, can you show me how you smell? Oh, so we use our nose for smelling. So we have sight with our eyes, smell with our nose. What else is there, Carter?
There's also
What are you doing? You said there's also...
taste.
Oh, taste. Very cool. And what do we use for our sense of taste?
We use our mouth.
Very cool. So we have sight with our eyes, smell with our nose, taste with our mouth. Anything else?
There's also hearing.
Hearing, which brings us to sense number 4, and we use that with our
Ears.
ears. Very good, friends. And Carter, what is our fifth and final sense?
Our fifth and final sense would be touch.
Touch. And what do we use for touch?
Our fingers.
Right. Like I'm touching your head right now. Yeah. So, friends, point to what you use to use your sense of sight. Point. That's right. Our eyes. Point to what you use for your sense of smell. That's right. Your nose. Point to what you use for your sense of taste. Our mouths. Point to what you use for your sense of hearing. Right. And then point to your ears. Very good. And point to what you use for your sense of touch. Yeah, our hands. Very good. Friends, what we are going to do, we are going to use some of our senses. Carter over here is going to be blindfolded, and I have some foods for him to try out. First, he's going to use his sense of smell with his nose to smell the food, and then he will use his sense of touch to feel the food, and then he's going to use his sense of taste to taste the food. So Carter, come on over, get yourself in nice positions. I'm going to put this very fancy, thick scarf around your eyes, so just to make sure we can't see. Can you see anything?
No.
Is your nose open?
Yes.
Good job. Now let's just be sure that he really cannot see anything. Carter, how many fingers am I holding up?
I don't know.
Take a guess.
5.
Am I holding up 5? Shh, don't tell him how many I'm showing. No, I'm not. Very good, friends. Now, friends, over here we have our food. Right here. I'll point the camera down just a little bit for you over here, friends. Do we all see that yummy, yummy food? Very good. Now, Carter, you cannot see any of this, so he is going to use his sense of smell. I'll hold it out underneath your nose. You smell that? Very good. Open up one of your hands. I'm giving you the food right there. Do you feel it? What does it feel like?
Feels like a Cheeto.
It feels like a Cheeto. Is it a Cheeto? You know, he doesn't. Shh. Okay, Carter, you want to pop that food item into your mouth?
Oh, it's hard.
Do you still think it's a Cheeto? No, it's not a Cheeto. What do you think it could be?
Some sort of pretzel-y thingy.
Ding, ding, ding. Carter is 1 for 1. That is excellent. That is indeed a pretzel. Let's move on to food item number 2. Do we all see that over there, friends? Yeah. Let's fix your blindfolds.
So I can smell it.
Good. Let's put it underneath your nose where it is right now. You smell it? Very good. Open up your hands. It's in your hands. What do you think it smells like? What do you think it feels like?
Feels like a gummy bear.
Ooh, a gummy bear. Is it a gummy bear, friends? I don't know. Well, we do. He doesn't. Okay, Carter, let's pop that in your mouth and see what you think it tastes like.
Quite rubbery.
It's quite rubbery.
Yeah, I'm going with it's still some sort of gummy bear or gummy thing.
Very cool. Ding, ding, ding. 2 for 2. It was a gummy dinosaur. But I'll take gummy bear because it was still a gummy flavored food. Right, friends? Right. Now, let's move on to food item number 3. Right over here. It's on a spoon. Just so you know, so I'm going to give you a spoon when you get to your time, okay? Can you smell?
Yeah.
Now hold out your hand. I'm going to give you the handle right over here, okay? Got it? That's the handle. I guess if you want to touch it, you can. Okay, let's put it in the mouth then.
Spicy.
Oh, is it really? Well, that was from your mom, not me.
Milk, please.
I don't have any, but that's okay. What do you think that could possibly be?
Horseradish.
Not horseradish, but mustard. Very good, dude. Well, it just so happens that we have something for you to wash it down with.
Please don't.
Right over here in our glass. You see what that is, friends, over here? Uh-huh. Let me fix that blindfold for a sec. Good job. Okay, let's put that underneath your nose. Can you get a whiff of it? You get a whiff of that? Very good. Hold out your hand. Let's find that glass. Very good. And let's try to take a drink. What do you think you just drank?
Juice.
Juice. What type of juice?
Fruit punch.
Fruit punch. Is it fruit punch? No, it's orange juice. But very, very good. Let's do one more. Let's try this over here, okay? Let's put it underneath your nose. You smell it?
No, I don't think it's.
That's my hand over there.
Yes, kind of.
Okay, let's touch it. Hold out your hand.
Ah,
Very good. What do you think it is?
I think it's a tortilla shell.
Or a tortilla shell. Let's try it. Let's take a big old bite.
Yep, definitely a tortilla shell.
Is it a tortilla shell? No, it's a piece of salami.
Well,
But it has the same kind of shape, right?
and almost the same kind of feel.
Very good. We're going to take off our blindfolds.
Right.
Very good, Carter.
Oh, wow.
Carter.
I have to talk to Mom.
Carter, can you tell our friends over here who are watching us what it was like not being able to see the food, but being able to smell,
It hurt
touch, and
occasionally.
taste?
Occasionally it hurt to taste.
Really? Why do you think that was?
Because the mustard was spicy.
Because mustard was spicy, because you didn't always know what it was, right? You had to rely on different senses than the ones that we use on a daily basis, right?
Yes.
So, friends, we use all of our 5 senses to be sure what we see, what we taste, what we hear, what we feel, and what we hear, right? On every single day and every single thing we do. Right, Carter?
Yes.
Yes. So, friends, I'm curious, what is your favorite sense? What is your favorite sense and why? That's pretty cool. Carter, what's your favorite sense?
Sight.
Sight, and why sight?
Because it allows me to actually get places and not fall over everything.
Yeah, because we need to look out for things that may trip us, right? I like that too a lot.
And also so I can look out for spicy things like mustard and avoid them.
Very true. Well, friends, that's all we have for now, and we will see you later. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye, friends.